You've built the structural bones with HTML and styled the layout with CSS. But to make a web page actually respond to a user, you need the third pillar of web development, JavaScript. Compare these two interfaces. On the left, a user clicks a button and nothing happens. On the right, the heart fills with color and the cart count updates. JavaScript is the mechanism that allows the page to react to those actions. You connect this logic to your page by acting as a conduit. You can write your code directly inside an HTML file using a script tag, or link to a separate external JavaScript file to keep your workspace organized. By writing these instructions, you move beyond designing static documents. You're now providing the rules that define how a page behaves when a person interacts with it. This diagram shows logic fundamentals, storing data. Writing let name equals dream creates a container labeled name holding the text dream. Lowercase name and uppercase name are different containers. You cannot use reserved system words like if or let as labels. Once you have data stored, you need a way to see it. The most direct method is a window alert, which triggers a pop-up in the user's browser. For professional work, we use the browser console. Running console.log sends your data to a hidden developer tools panel, allowing you to check your work without interrupting the user. Keeping diagnostic notes in the console while reserving alerts for critical user information is a key step in managing a clean user experience. While consoles are great for testing, your code eventually needs to update the actual text and images the user sees on the screen. To do this, we use a specific syntax. The system scans your HTML page and targets a specific element using its unique ID. The innerHTML command then replaces the current content of that tag with your new text, updating the web page in real time. If you simply place this code in your file, it runs the moment the page loads. To the user, it looks like the text was always there. To control the timing, we wrap those instructions inside a function and link that function to a button click. This ensures the change only happens when the user decides to act. Try this now. Write a function that triggers on a button click to change a paragraph's text and, at the same time, prints a message to your developer console. This is event-driven programming. Your logic remains ready in the background, executing only when it receives a specific signal from the user. To solve the challenge, you place your innerHTML command and your console.log command inside the same function. Now, a single click executes every instruction in the sequence. The heading and paragraph change on the page, the alert appears, and the diagnostic message prints to the console. Review these core rules. JavaScript is a distinct language from Java. Variables are strictly case-sensitive, and you control exactly where data is displayed, whether it's a pop-up, a hidden log, or a direct update to the page. Understanding how these triggers and outputs work together is the basis for every interactive feature. You've now established the core logic needed to start building functional web tools.